Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The Facelift Mazda 2 is going on sale in the UK. Here is how much you can expect to pay for it. The best trim is the standard line, which start from £17,765. It sits on 15-inch silver metallic alloy wheels and it comes standard with a premium black cloth seat trim and a black gloss dashboard accent, air conditioning, climate control, cruise control, adjustable speed limiter, body color electrically adjustable and heated auto power folding door mirror, and a Mazda navigation system comprising of an 8-inch infotainment display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and 3-year free maps update. The next trim up is the Homura, starting from £18,975. It is on 16-inch black metallic alloy wheels and come with a black cloth trim with a red accent, black electrically adjustable, heated auto power folding door mirror, a backup camera, and a black shark fin antenna. Next level up is the exclusive line, starting from £19,515. It sits on 16-inch bright alloy wheels, and in addition to the kit from the Homura, the exclusive line comes with a privacy glass, smart keyless entry, and pre-car safety system. Finally, the top of the range is a Homura AK, which starts from £20,515. It comes with electric window, black room film, 16-inch black metallic machine alloy, half black leather half cloth seat trim with red accent, and other features from exclusive line. There are 3 engines to choose from, which are naturally aspirated 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. The best makes 75 PS and 143 Nm, utilizing a 6-speed manual transmission. Next is a mild hybrid producing 90 PS and 150 Nm motor, also using a 6 manual transmission or 6 automatic, optional in exclusive line. The most powerful mild hybrid produces 115 PS and 151 Nm, using a 6-speed manual transmission.